way, what's your name?
My name is Lala. What about you?
Wow, that's a nice name. My name is Raya.
Thank you. You have a nice name too.
The school has much and comfortable atmosphere, yeah?
Yeah.
Can I ask why you choose to adapt to school?
Oh, sure. But before I tell you, how about you? What's your reason for choosing this school?
I choose this school because it's close to my house and transportation cost is affordable. Besides that, the learning system is very interesting.
Wow, that's a good reason. As for me, I choose this school because it has a good and competitive environment that motivates me to improve myself.
Wow, that's amazing reason. Thank you.